In 1 year, the Rochester City School District will cut the ribbon on its flagship facility at School 33. The school is also known as the Audubon School. It's located on Webster Avenue. The district and the city of Rochester are putting a lot of resources into giving that school a new life. New at 11, News 8's Evan Axelbank reports on the high hopes for School 33.
The Audubon School had to close its doors to open new ones.
We've been known as being pioneers.
A year from now, this mega construction site will be a combination of a gym, library, community center, and ball fields. The school building itself will be renovated, and Principal Larry Edison says Audubon's 1,200 students will walk into a transformed building and a new way of learning.
We have the space now. We did not have the space previously in the case of the rec center in terms of some of the large motor activities that, in addition to what we do in the gymnasium, that we will have the opportunity to do when the facility is complete.
But this project isn't just about school. It's about creating a neighborhood gathering place. And that's why the city of Rochester contributed $6 million of its own dollars.
A parent, let's say, wants to come in for the afternoon and they want to go to the library with, their children, yet their older children want to play in the rec center. It's a safe environment. There's a lot for everybody to do. There's a lot of great programming, and we can share space.
In other words, the school can use the rec center and library during the day, and community center programming can transition into school space as the day wears on. The project is such a big deal, the district is calling School 33 its flagship school.
Why not start with the pioneers in the case of a connection between our community partners and the school and going forth with this effort?
School 33 is considered a solid school academically, but the 1,200 students have an unusual year ahead. During construction, pre-K students are headed to Upper Falls Boulevard, while K through 6 students will attend school in what used to be a charter school on St. Paul Street.